Hello friends, welcome to Liberty Solution channel. This channel is designed to cater the needs of school principal, school teachers, parents, and children from nursery to class 12. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel to get latest educational updates related with schools, especially CBSE schools. Today in this video, I am going to talk about motivation, action, and result. Like, comment, share it with your friends, family member, and subscribe my channel to get latest educational updates. As all of you know that Liberty Solution is a organization which provides services related with school affiliation, school staff, teachers training, leadership training, and effective parenting. Today, I will be discussing about motivation, action, and result. I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, Principal of Sundaram Central School and Chief Executive Officer of Liberty Solution, STS. So the question arises, what is motivation? Many a time, as a principal, as a teacher, or a parent, or as a student, we keep on watching any motivational speaker which are available on different platforms. So most of you may be knowing what is motivation. So I think that motivation is energy to perform some action with result. If you are motivated, then you will be performing some action and that action will give you some result. If you are putting higher energy of in performing action, your result will be better. If you think that without performing action, you will be getting result, means you are not motivated. Many a time, people think motivation outside. So it is better. It is better to generate motivation inside, because with that motivation, you have to perform action. Others are not going to perform action for you. And for that, you will be getting the result. In case if you are being motivated by others, so other will be motivating to get their goal achieved, not your goal achieved. So in case if you want to develop yourself personally or professionally, try to motivate yourself on daily basis. So motivation is energy to perform some action which will be giving some result. If you are not motivated, you will not be performing action and you will not be getting result. In case you are not getting result, it means you are not putting result effort. For that, you need motivation. So no motivation will result into no action. No action means no result. It is a step by step process. It includes three important things: motivation, action, and result. Once you are motivated, you will be performing some action, and that action will give some result. If result is positive, you will become more motivated, then you will be investing more energy to perform action. And if you are performing same action in a better way, you will be getting improved result. So if you keep on following these three simple steps, whatever activities you are engaging yourself, you'll be getting perfect result. When motivation is outside, then there is a problem. When you are think that some other person will be motivating you, yeah, it is okay to take the help of other person to motivate, like parents, family members, some motivational speaker. But it is always better to motivate yourself. So in case if you are being motivated by others, the day on which they will start motivating, will start performing action. Others can motivate you up to certain level, but if you want to reach very high level in personal life and professional life, you have to perform your action with high energy. And it is possible when you are self-motivated. If you are self-motivated, you will be investing more energy to perform that action. And whenever you perform any action with higher level of energy, of course, you'll be getting better result. If you are not motivated from inside, you are being motivated by others. So once they stop motivating, you will stop performing action and then you will not be getting result. So if you are not giving result, then external person will come again, he will motivate to get work done by you for his own goodness, for the goodness of the organization or institution. But in that case, the organization, that person will grow, not you will not grow. So I will be trying to explain this with the help of one example. Suppose you want to become something. There may be many options. Suppose you want to become a speaker, you want to become a teacher, you are good teacher, good principal, you want to become good student, good parent. There may be a number of examples. So I have taken one example of you want to become a good speaker, yeah, good teacher, yeah, good student. So here I have taken the case of speaker. So say to yourself, I want to become a speaker. I want to become a speaker. I want to become a speaker. So once your objectives are clear, your goals are clear, then you have to start thinking about goal achievement system, how you can achieve your goals. So again, next question is why you want to become a speaker. Then the answer may be, you may be having the answer. You want to become very popular in your group at local level, at national level, or international level. So popularity may be one reason to become a speaker. Second reason may be you want to earn more money by coming in the field of speaking business. So this may be second reason. So these are the reason why you want to become a speaker. Now, once you have decided that I want to become a speaker and what are these my reasons to become a speaker, then again you have to start taking the action. What action you have to take? You have to decide in which language you want to become a speaker, in English or in any other native language. So you have to develop the skill related with that language. You have to develop fluency in that language. Okay, so language fluency never does mean that you know only this pronunciation. It goes beyond pronunciation. It goes to include many phrasal words, idioms. You have to think about your pitch, your scale, your volume, your amplitude. There are various parameters to speak a language in a very effective manner. So language fluency you have to develop. If you are not fluent in any particular language, no need to get demotivated. This communication skill is a learnable skill. You can learn this skill, but always remember that that skill cannot be perfected within 1 week, yeah, 1 month. It may take 1 year, 2 year, but keep on improving your language fluency. Second skill you have to develop use of technology. If you want to become a good speaker, you have to learn how to present your content in the form of powerful PowerPoint presentation, interactive, animated, powerful presentation. You should know how to insert videos. You should know how to edit video. You should know how to copy videos. So you have to develop, you have to become very techno savvy. And if you have not developed this skill, start developing slowly, slowly. A day will come when you will become very expert. And third, you have to develop strong content. There is lot of content available on the Google, but you have to update yourself content as per the requirement of today. Today's topic is different, tomorrow will be different. So you have to do update yourself on daily basis, on which day we have to make video on which topic. Then you are uploading those videos on YouTube channel, then you will be getting more audience. And if once you are getting more audience, then you will become more popular, you will start earning money as well. So third portion, you have means you are motivated, you are taking what is the reason for doing that work, you are taking action as well, then you will be, you have to do the analysis of result as well. You may be, your result may be excellent, good, unsatisfactory. So in the beginning, your result will be unsatisfactory. There are if you are uploading your videos on YouTube or on any social platform, in the first video will be of course, it will be not of great quality, but no need to again get demoralized, demotivated, keep on practicing, keep on learning. Then from unsatisfactory level, you will move to the good level, and from good level, you can move to excellent level. So once you start doing this, you can achieve your goal of becoming a good leader, that up at local level leader, speaker, or national level speaker, or then you can start competing at international level and start participating in different speaker competitions are organized by different organizations. Once you start doing this, a day will come, you'll become very excellent speaker. So friends, today this much. In case if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like, comment, share it with your friends, family member. Thank you very much for watching.